Today topic of lecture: characteristics of successful product development. What is product development? Product development refers to the creation of new product which has some utility or upgradation of the existing product or enhancement of the production process, method or system. In simply word, it is all about bringing a change in the present goods or services. It is called a product development. Product development refers to the creation of a new product which has some utility or upgradation of the existing product or enhancement of the production process, method or system. In simple words, it is all about bringing a change in the present goods or services. It is called a production development. Production development means creation of a new products or existing product or enhancement or development or modifications. Any change of the or product, it is called a product development. Characteristics of successful product development or features of product development. Any product development as following some characteristics you follow success the product development. That all are as follows. First one is active product owner. Reliable teams. Clear objectives. A product roadmap. Market research. Through testing. Focused approach. Timeline. Last one is adaptable and flexible. These all are characteristics of product development. First one is active product owner. Reliable teams. Clear objectives. A product roadmap. Market research. Through testing. Focused approach. Timeline. Last one is adaptable and flexible. These all are characteristics or features of product development. This one by one I explain now. First characteristics is active product owner. Owner is entrepreneur or industrialist or business person. One of the character have active product owner. Owner is the very active. You taking the decisions. Our business. Total responsibility for all decisions. That is one of the character. Not responsible full owner. That our decisions also not success. Not completed. Not take the good decisions. So owner is very active or interest. Continue the products or business. All activities you take the actively. This is one of the character of product development. Not owner or entrepreneur, business person, not interested. That take the decisions also not correctly. Negligence, irresponsibility. The total effect of the our business or our product development. Any changes, our product or modification or extension, remodel. The decisions you take the actively. That person. Every decision full responsible. That product change also you properly implemented. This is one of the character of product development. Reliable teams. Team mean group of members or workers or employees. You reliable or promptly commitment or workers or employees. A good relation employee to other employees or subordinate to superiors. Team is the very reliable, full commitment employees or works. You success of the our product development or changes of product. This is another characteristics of the product development. To achieve peak team performance, you must develop rich. All team members also reliable. That team performance is the very more reach the or goal or objective. So reliable team also required. Clear objectives. Objective also targets purpose or modification or changes or extension. All are clearly known concerned persons. Any innovation, any changes more risky involve the innovation. The challenge is to manage risk exposed to maximum benefits. The objective of each phase of deliverable into the single statement. A very objective, clearly known, no confusion. Use single statements to reach the concerned persons that properly do the or works. It is one of the character of product development. Product roadmap. This is one of the another characteristics of production development. Roadmap is the one type of graph, one type of map. In this the clearly picture you print our objectives or clearly draw the picture. Our outside marketing competition of the other competitors, economic factors, new opportunities, target market or pricing, all are clearly you mention the roadmap in the map. It is one of the characteristics of the product development. Clearly known the or changes of the price or competitors in the market, what type of competition or product now, present situation of the economic position or country or area, any opportunities, present situation, all are clearly known the this roadmap. It is called a one type of planning. Clear picture or modification of the product changes. Market research. Research is investigation or searching, collect the information, our market position, our product in the market, demand and supply. All are you collect the information, you base the decided any change of or product or modification or price or quality, use of the technology, implement the new features, etc. You base the market research information used. This is one of the characteristics of the product development. Next one is through testing. After investigation or product test for our users, consumers, you sample test, release the some few members or existing users or consumers. You collect the feedback, collect the or product information, any or modifications, any guidelines, any suggestions, you any complaints, you take the this character through testing that based the changes of the our product. It is one of the product development characteristics. Focused approach. This is another characteristics of the production. Our concept, our method, you inform to the others, our users, consumers, buyers, concern related channels, distribution agencies, you so and so product changes, modifications, new developments, all our method, you focus to the outside. That is of the our increase the sales, known the outside peoples, our change modification product. Next one is timeline. Timeline means deadline. Every activity, every process, every phase, sometime is deadline you allotted or scheduled time. Compulsory completed the task, allotted the deadline. The use of the you all tasks, objectives you completed the in time. It is another characteristics of product development. This use of the all activities you completed the in time. That is use minimize the cost. You quickly manufacture to the our product, our changes, our new product. That use you get the more profits. Last one is adaptable and flexible. Flexible means changeable, transferable. Any situationally, any circumstances, market position, sometime also not favor. That time also some changes, our objectives, our product map All are etc. Situationally changeable. You take the adjustments. It is called a adaptable and a flexible. These all are characteristics of product development. First one is active product owner, reliable teams, clear objectives, a product roadmap, market research, through testing, focused approach, timeline, adaptable and flexible. This topic is over. Thank you.